Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about web mining of module 5. What is web mining? Web mining is the art and science of discovering patterns and insights from the World Wide Web to improve it. That is, to improve the quality of the content present in the web pages, to optimize the content and to improve the user experience. These are the goals of web mining. And this web is used in many application areas like electronic commerce, business communication, and so on. And data from web mining is collected via web crawlers, web logs, and other means. Here are some characteristics of an optimized website. Appearance, content, and the functionality. Appearance of a website. It includes well-formatted content, easy to scan and navigate, and good color contrast. Coming to the content of a website, well-planned information with useful content, that is fresh content. What do you mean by fresh content? Content should be updated. And search engine should be optimized and linked to other good sites. Functionality accessible to all authorized users, fast loading and mobile enabled. Coming to the web mining structure, we are having three parts. The first is web content mining, web structure mining, and web usage mining. What do you mean by web content mining? If I take a website has hundreds of web pages, and all these web pages are managed by content management system, and each web page, as you all know, it has text, graphics, audio, video, forms, applications, and so on. And this website keep a record of all the requests received for its page. And these requests are present in the log records, and based upon this log records, the web page is ranked. If the web page has more number of visitors, then it is considered to be the most popular web page or website, most popular or famous website. And the text and the application content on the pages could be analyzed for its usage by visit counts. The pages on a website themselves could be analyzed for quality of the content and attracts more users. As I said, if a page has more number of visitors, it is considered to be the most popular website, and it is considered that the quality of the content present in the web page is also good. This is about web content mining. So under web content mining, so when a web page is visited, right, it is recorded, that visit is recorded in the log record, and the log record is mined to analyze whether the web page is a good quality web page or not. How I am considering whether it is a good quality web page or not? Based upon the number of visits to the web page. If it has more number of visits, it is considered to be the popular website, and it is considered that the quality of the content present in the web page is good. Next is web structure mining. As you all know, each web page can be linked to another web page using a hyperlink. And this intertwined or self-referral nature of a web tends to use some unique network analytical algorithms, and there are two basic structure models for useful websites, that is hub and authorities. What is hub? Hub means like it is like your search engine. If you want to search any information in a search engine, it is enough to give the keyword. If you give the keyword, you will get a page where you will be having some n number of links. And if you click any one of the link, it will direct you to the information related to the keyword what you have searched. Right. So hub is a single page containing interested links. Right. page where large number of interesting links present is known as hub. And what is this authorities? Authorities, it is nothing but the page where the actual information is present. So hub is a single page containing interesting links alone, and the page where the actual information is present is known as authorities. And these are the two basic models for successful websites, hub and authorities. And coming to this web structure mining, as I said, a web page is linked to another web page using the hyperlink, and a web page is considered to be a good web page or a quality web page based upon the number of links and to what type of pages it is linked to. Always a page should be linked to a good quality web page. That is, a page should have a link to another page that is more popular or more qualitier than this current page. That is, these things comes under your web structure mining. And next is web usage mining. What is web usage mining? When a visitor visits a web page, what kind of action he is doing in that web page. Even a click is recorded. Right, even a click is recorded both in client side and in the server side. The browser at the client machine will record the click. The web server providing the content would also make a record of the pages served and the user activity on those pages. So all the actions by the user on those pages will be recorded. And the goal of web usage mining is to extract useful information and patterns from the data generated through the web page visits and transaction. Right? So when a user visits a web page and what action he is doing and what from that page to which page he is moving, all those it is recorded both in the client side and in the server side, and these information will be analyzed to get some useful information and pattern. Next is the web content could be analyzed at multiple levels. The server side analysis and client side analysis. Server side analysis, it is used to show the relative popularity of the web page accessed. Right? Those websites could be hubs or authorities. And the client side analysis focuses on the usage pattern. What for the user has visited the pages and what and all action he has done in that page. Right? All this analysis is done in the client side. Right? So the usage pattern could be analyzed using the clickstream analysis, and the textual information accessed on those pages retrieved by the user could be analyzed using the text mining techniques. So in web mining, we have three parts. The first is web content mining, right? Web content mining, web structure mining, and web usage mining. Web content mining, right? Under web content mining, what we have learned, when a page is visited, right, a request to any page, it will be recorded in the log, right, and this log record will be analyzed to find the number of visits to a particular website. Based upon the number of visits to a particular website, a website is said to be a popular one and a quality website. If a website has more number of visits, it is understood that the content present in the website is a quality one. So only it is having more number of visits. Right? That thing we have studied under web content mining. Then what is web structure mining? Structure of your web pages. Right? You know, all the web pages, it will be linked to another web page using the hyperlink. So every web page it will be linked to another web page using the hyperlink. Right, and this web structure, it deals with this links, and we are having two basic structures, hubs and authorities. Right, so under web structure mining, we'll be learning about the hyperlinks. So we'll be having two basic strategic models for successful websites, that is hubs and authorities. What is hub? A web page containing interesting links alone. Right, it will have interesting links alone. It is known as hubs. And what are authorities? A web page that contains the actual information is known as authorities. So, if I want to if I want to search some information in the search engine, it is enough to give the keyword alone. So, when I give the keyword, I'll get a web page that containing interesting links, n number of links. So if I click any one of the link, it will redirect to the website that contains the actual information related to my search. Right? So that is known as authorities. So under web structure mining, we are learning about the hyperlink. Then what is web usage mining? Okay, so a website, a user is visiting a web page, right? How long he is staying in that web page, and what about his actions, right? Even a click, it is recorded both in the client side and in the server side, and the pattern of the clicks, it is analyzed, right? And how long he is staying in, the usage of the user, right? How he is using that web page. Everything, it is recorded and it is analyzed. And coming to this web usage mining, we have this web usage mining analysis both in the client side and in the server side. Server side, it is analyzed for hubs and authorities, but in client side, it focuses on the usage patterns or the actual content consumed and created by the user. Right? So usage pattern could be analyzed using the click stream analysis. That is the pattern of sequence of clicks and the location, duration of visits on websites and so on. And this textual information accessed on the web page is retrieved by the user and it is analyzed to find the most popular topics. Right? So clients, right, on which topic they are doing more search, right? To find the most popular topics, I can get the I can use text mining and retrieve the most popular topics searched or visited by the users. Clear? So client side is for client side focuses on the content and the server side focuses on the structure. Structure, when I say about structure, it is about hubs and authorities. And this is the web usage mining architecture. Website visitors, users, customers, web logs, click streams. Right. So every request to a website is recorded in the log record. And this log record is mined to find the number of visits to a particular website. Right. And weblog, that is about weblogs. And what is this click stream? All the actions done by the user in the web page, it is recorded. Right, even a click, it is recorded. So the pattern of your clicks, it will be in your click stream. Right, and this click stream, it will be analyzed to find what and all pages the user is visiting and what and all action he is doing on the web page. And coming to this textual contents accessed by the visitor can be analyzed to find the most popular topics read or visited by the clients. Right, textual information retrieved by the clients can be analyzed to find the most popular topic visited or read by the users. And next is we have to identify the users. identify the visits, identify the page views, and you can summarize it. At last, you can mine the data for patterns. Right, the summarized data can be mined to get the patterns. This is all about your web usage mining architecture. And next is web mining algorithms. Your hyperlink induced topic search is the link analysis algorithm that rates web page as being hubs or authorities. Right. It is a hyperlink induced topic search is a link analysis algorithm that rates the web pages as being hubs or authorities. And the most popular or famous HITS based algorithm is your page rank algorithm invented by Google co-founder Larry Page. And this algorithm helps to determine the relative importance of a particular web page by counting the number of links and the quality of the links to a page. That's what I told. When a page has a link to another page, it should have a link to a better web page than this one. Right? That is, it should have a link to a quality web page. More quality web page than its own. And the website with more number of links and more number of links from a higher quality websites will be ranked higher, like the status of a person in a society of people. So this is all about your web mining algorithms. Thank you.